This little fan is cool, man. It's great for the glove box. Simple. These little things are real soft. And it has 2 speeds. Oh yeah. It comes with a cable, and then it has this here that you can hang. So you hook it up to here, then you can hang it however you want, maybe on your mirror or somewhere in your vehicle or wherever you want. And it also bends that way, just one way. It doesn't go the other way. So it just it works really good. And these things don't hurt. So there you go. I like it. Have a great day.